Accident Investigation Toolbox Talks. Aim. All incidents are reported and investigated to find out the root cause and to develop an action plan to prevent a recurrence. Purpose. The purpose of the incident investigation and reporting system is lesson must be learned and appropriate corrective actions shall be taken to prevent its recurrence. Thus the objective is 1. All incidents which have the potential to harm people, assets, environments, or company image have been properly notified, reported, and investigated. 2. Corrective action shall be taken to prevent further recurrence. 3. Lesson learned is literally communicated to all. 4. Effectiveness of the system can be audited and measured. Incident investigation procedure. 1. Proceed to the incident scene immediately and initiate action to bring the incident under control. 2. Writing board, measuring tape, camera, the scale shall bring while coming for investigation. 3. Advise the supervisor to barricade and secure the scene including protecting it from the weather. 4. Ensure medical treatment for injured and if more serious send him to the clinic. 5. Time and weather conditions should be noted. 6. Take action to ensure the safety of the other people at the same and to avoid any further escalation of the incident. 7. Collect physical evidence, data records and take photos for the report. 8. Conduct initial interviews of key witness and collect witness statements. 9. Check the activity and progress and equipment if involved. 10. Work permit and other documents should be collected. 11. Position of personnel and equipment.
Please give comment and suggestions.
Thank you.
Subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank for visit our channel. See you next class.
Thank you.